growth performance and apparent nutrient digestibility coefficients of weaned rabbits fed diets containing different forms of cocoa pod husk meal. This article is written by 6 authors. First author Pia Wazung. Second author O.O. Kennedy-Ogo. Third author E.A. Asian. Fourth author Pio Eberu. Fifth author E.I. Evans. Last author C. Wa. The growth performance and apparent nutrient digestibility coefficients of weaned rabbits fed corn, soybean meal basal diets containing different forms of cocoa pod husk meal were determined. A total of 60 mixed breed rabbits of both sexes, 30 bucks and 30 does, with average initial weight of 606.42 plus minus 1.30 grams were used in a 9-week feeding trial using a completely randomized design. 12 is nitrogenous and is caloric diets were formulated containing sun-dried, T1 T2, T3 and T4, fermented, T5 T6, T7 and T8, and hot, water-treated, T9 T10, T11 and T12, cocoa pod husk meal, CPHM, each at 0, 12.5, 25 and 37.5% levels of inclusion, respectively. Diet with 0% CPHM served as the control in the different forms of the cocoa pod husk meal-based diets. Growth performance parameters, feed intake, weight gain and feed conversion ratio, were determined, while apparent nutrient digestibility coefficients were determined at the 9th week using the direct in vivo method. The digestibility coefficients were calculated using appropriate formula. Results of the study revealed that the final weight, total weight gain and average daily feed intake recorded significant, P0.05, differences between dietary treatments. When compared with values in the control, diets with the highest inclusion level, 37.5%, CPHM had the least total weight gain with the sun-dried, fermented and hot, water-treated groups having 557.50, 570.83 and 390.00 grams/rabbit respectively. The average daily intake intake declined with increasing levels of sun-dried CPHM, that is 66.94, 62.56, 59.27 and 52.98 grams/rabbit/day, respectively. The hot, water-treated CPHM diets recorded the worst FCR beyond 12.5% level when compared with other forms of CPHM. Some of the apparent nutrient digestibility coefficients for ASH and NFE recorded significant, P0.05, differences between dietary treatments, while crude protein, crude fiber and ether extract digestibility coefficients were statistically similar across dietary treatments in all the 3 forms of CPHM. The sun-dried CPHM had the least digestible crude protein, 75.07%, at the highest inclusion level, 37.5%. The study concludes that the 3 different forms of cocoa pod husk meal in the following order of superiority, fermented, hot, water-treated and sun-dried, can be included in diets meant for rabbits at levels not exceeding 25% for optimum growth performance and apparent nutrient digestibility coefficients. Thanks for watching this abstract video of Agriculture and Food Sciences Research Volume 4 Issue Number 1 published by Asian Online Journal Publishing Group.